Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another weekly vlog, of course. I just woke up, I did a little bit of makeup. I have class today at 1 and then I'm on the weekend. So I'm very excited because it's the weekend, duh. But also, this weekend is going to be so much fun. A couple things I planned, super chill. My best friend is coming to Indiana and we're also going to see a Taylor Swift concert. I'm so freaking excited. My best friend and I, Bailey, you guys have met her like 100 times. We are obsessed with Taylor Swift. So she's the coolest best friend ever for just ever. So she gets in this morning. I'm gonna bring her to my class. Maybe I'll actually vlog that. I feel like that'll be kind of funny. So you guys will see all that. I'm gonna vlog everything, of course. And yeah, let's get started with this weekly vlog. So yeah, I'm just chilling in my room.
Indiana!
Hey!
University!
Best friend is here!
Roomies! Scrunchy or no scrunchy? First day of school, what do you recommend?
Scrunchy.
Hair up, right?
You look more like a student. Wow, you actually look like a real life student.
Thank you.
I'm confused.
Yep.
It's like I actually have a roommate now.
Wait, this was what really seals the deal. Ready?
What? Oh my god, the notebook. Welcome to Indiana.
Hey, Jeremy. What's up, Olivia? I look really official.
You look like a student. I would believe it.
Wait. Are you allowed to pass notes in class?
So we're on our way to class right now.
Yes.
We gotta go. So
very busy today.
Are you nervous for your first class?
No, I feel
ready? Prepared.
Excited, vulnerable, ecstatic. Wow. I'm just gonna use really big words when I get in there. Whoa, your pocket's
Yeah, there's no pocket in there.
You have to show.
Yeah, there's no pocket.
I just went to put my hand in a pocket.
So we're gonna go to Bailey's first college class.
Yes.
B, come on.
B.
We're gonna be late to class, dude.
I'm new here.
Oh, we might not be on the right floor.
Should I introduce myself and make friends?
Yeah.
Is that what you did? Try to make friends. Good to meet you. That's good. That's nice. See, way to put me in the corner somewhere. I don't want people to see me.
Come on, blend in. You're blending in great. We're just waiting for our class to start. You excited?
I won.
Just playing tic-tac-toe by yourself.
I won 2 times in a row.
Proud of you.
Do you usually vlog in class?
No, this is my first time. I've been too scared.
Yeah, I feel like people are looking at it. The one girl ducked out of the way. She said, I'll get out of here.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Whatever. Like my sister says. Who cares? Trouble. He's being so nice. Let me sit in. If you're gonna get me kicked out, we're not even supposed to be talking. Okay, bye.
Hey B, so how was your first day of class?
It was really good.
Did you enjoy it?
I know, I really did actually. It was a bummer that he wouldn't let me talk though, because I had so many things to say.
Oh.
And debate.
I'm happy you came to college for a day.
Me too.
Yeah,
That was fun.
thanks for coming.
Gotta go back to work.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Morning guys, it is the next day. Today,
Game day!
got our tailgate outfits on. Wait, look at B in her tailgate clothes. Yes! B takes Indiana! I think we're gonna go grab a quick bite to eat and then go to a tailgate. So I'm gonna vlog everything and yeah, this is gonna be really fun. So, see you guys there.
Okay guys, so we had a great time and now we decided to come and get a little bite to eat.
You gave me an iced tea?
I did. Now we came, keep it in your mouth, say watermelon. Now we're here to get an iced tea before we head out to Indianapolis. So excited for the concert. We love you guys so much.
Okay, so we just left the tailgate. That was so much fun. I probably put in a little video, probably something, but I couldn't film just because that's awkward. I don't want to do that. So now we're just at breakfast. We just got a Pop-Tart and some avocado toast, so yeah. Guys, this looks so good. So good. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my avocado toast, so peace.
Will try to undercut your success or take credit.
So we just got here.
But if you just focus on the work and you don't let those people sidetrack.
To address that.
Hey guys! So I haven't picked up my vlog camera since I think the Taylor Swift concert, which was so much fun, by the way. I'll put a picture of us here because we met Taylor, which is insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!